to my mom's channel.
Good morning, my neighbors. How are you doing? Are you feeling all right? Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. It's morning here. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Gina and I'm glad you stopped by. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. Like, I don't take that for granted. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you for your support as well. So guys, it's a beautiful Saturday morning and we're grateful for life. I've had like a couple of things done. I just decided to lose my daughter's hair and remake it, and I just thought maybe I should just carry you guys along and let's see how it goes. But please, before we start, I need to introduce you to someone amazing. Like, I need to introduce you to a princess. She's a very beautiful girl. She's the most beautiful girl in the whole world right now, and she knows. I love the fact that she knows she's very beautiful. So guys, I'll be introducing you to my princess. Valerie, where are you? Val, come.
Here I am.
Come and say hi to the people.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's the name?
My name is Chimerica Egu.
Egu. Is it Egu or Egu? Which one?
Egu.
Egu, yeah, that's the name. How old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
Oh, that's fine. So what are we doing today? What are we going to do today?
We're going to do something.
What was the something? Don't you know what we're doing today?
We're going to sleep, we're going to wake up, we're going to eat, we're going to go to school.
Today is not a school day now. So how are we going to go to school today? I thought you know you're going to lose your hair and make another beautiful style for you. Are you not aware?
Yes.
So today is a wash day now, you've forgotten. So we'll take down this hair, wash it, and make a very beautiful one for you.
So we're going to watch cartoon.
And cartoon. Okay. That's fine. So guys, meet my first daughter. Her name is Valerie Chimerica Egu. Right? That's her name. And you are, how old are you again?
3 years old.
Okay, that she's 3 years old, guys. So this is my princess, the most beautiful girl in the whole world. You know you're beautiful, right? Oh, why are you yawning? Are you hungry?
No.
Okay. I thought you were hungry. Fine girl. Fine girl. Strike a pose. So guys, we will take you through the journey. We have to take down this hair. I'll take it down first, then wash it, then make a very protective style. Like this, I've made a conscious effort, to take care of this hair. I've used a lot of product, and I'm not always patient to see if the product is actually working. I just want a very fast thing. And another thing is the regimen. So I was thinking it's just about using this product, but now I've realized that the way you handle the hair also matters. Not
I can
just
see you.
It's stopping my video. I know you can see me. So you're not just using this product, are you using it the right way? Do you get? That's what I just realized recently, and so far I've been trying to do the right things to help their hair grow. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive right into the video. Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to my mom's channel. My name is Chimerica. My mommy is making my hair. Then my sister also is playing with my mommy's charger and my own car. So Daddy went traveled. Then I'm watching cartoon. You're watching cartoon. Yes.
Okay.
Mommy,
Yes.
I want the orange chips.
The orange chips
Yes, and the yellow juice.
and the yellow juice.
Yes, to
Only you.
eat. Yes,
You want to eat all of them?
yes.
Okay, because you are making your hair.
Yes.
So that's why you want to finish all the juice and the chips.
Yes.
Okay, so where you go, chips? Can I give you popcorn?
No.
Alright guys, we are done losing the hair. As you can see, so to avoid shrinking, I just put them in these big twist chunks. So now I'm about to detangle the hair and comb it out before washing. So I'll be using these products. To detangle. So once I'm done detangling, I will leave it for a few minutes so that this product can settle in well on the hair before I wash. So guys, I'll put it directly on the hair. I'll put it directly here. Then I will use my hand and detangle. So I'll detangle with my hand first. Add more. Detangle with my hand first. Then I comb it out. I start from the tips so it doesn't pain her. I gently comb the tips. Then I gently comb it out. And I'll go ahead and twist it back. So okay guys, I'm done detangling the hair. So I will leave it to settle in for like a few minutes before we wash. Okay? Good. Go. Good. this product, this anti-Jackie baby coils coiling and twisting control, to help give it a juicy twist. Can you see the product? Can you see? So this is what I'll be using to twist her hair. It's 6:30 p.m. already. She slept at some point, so I had to allow her sleep, and then we continued. So this is the outcome. That's what I do. Instead of just packing her hair and leaving it to shrink, I just prefer making a protective style. So this is it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.